Lunch and Learns are a deep dive into a digital topic with a group of about 20 people via Zoom or Teams. They're part of Campus Digidol CDPS's digital training programme and are free for people in organisations delivering public services devolved to Wales. Our user research has told us that whilst training courses can be effective, they're not sufficient on their own to make a lasting impact at an organisational level. Leaders and their teams need to be supported beyond the training day, as well as knowing the context of the Welsh public sector and being aligned to the digital service standards for Wales. They need comprehensive support, including coaching and opportunities to learn by doing. And this is where our Lunch and Learns come in. In a CDPS Lunch and Learn, you could be practicing a technique, generating ideas, or discussing best practice, and creating templates or guides to download. Sessions will cover a huge range of areas, including measuring value, how to create a workflow, service mapping, agile governance, and how to work in the open. We hope you leave with a better understanding of that specific topic and tips for applying what you've learned. If you can then pass that knowledge on to others within your team or organisation, great, we've done our job.